Crafting poetic landscapes, exploring form and structure in poetry. Hello and welcome, fellow language explorers. Today, we're delving into the magical world of poetry. Specifically, we're going to unlock the secrets of form and structure in poetry, key elements that give poems their rhythm, shape, and unique style. When we talk about form in poetry, we refer to the set rules that dictate how a poem should be written. This may include rules about meter, rhyme, and the poem's physical structure. It's like the skeleton that holds the poem together. Some well-known forms include sonnets, haikus, and limericks. For instance, a haiku is a Japanese form of poetry consisting of 3 lines. The first and third lines have 5 syllables, and the second line has 7. In contrast, a sonnet is a 14-line poem usually written in iambic pentameter, a type of metrical line used in traditional English poetry and verse drama. Sonnets typically explore themes of love and beauty. The structure of a poem refers to the way it's arranged on the page. This can include line breaks, stanzas, and visual presentations. While form is more about rules, structure is more about the poet's creative choices. For example, some poets might choose to write in free verse, which doesn't conform to any strict meter patterns, but they can still use line breaks to create pauses, emphasize certain words, or shape the poem on the page. Although form and structure are separate aspects of poetry, they often interact in meaningful ways. A poem's form might influence its structure, or a unique structure might lend itself to a certain form. Consider a concrete poem, also known as a shape poem. This form of poetry visually represents its subject matter. Here, both form and structure come together to enhance the poem's overall effect. And that wraps up our dive into the form and structure of poetry. Poetry is a rich, diverse art form, and its many structures and forms are part of what makes it so fascinating and versatile. Remember, poetry is all about expression, so don't be afraid to experiment with form and structure to find your own unique poetic voice. Happy writing!